Hello friends, I am Dr. Amit Gangwal, Associate Professor in SVKM's Institute of Pharmacy, Dhule. I will talk about AI in drug discovery in this video. Drug discovery is a costly affair and it is full of ups and downs. Almost 90% drug-like candidates fail to see the light of the day. They never see the prescription. So high failure rate is there. So AI, that is artificial intelligence, is the only option to address this challenge because AI has shown success in lot many non-pharma areas. So there are good number of chances that it will also do something great in pharma. So in this video, we will talk about two companies which has given early fruits of AI driven, AI empowered or AI mediated drug discovery. These two companies are creating headlines for past almost 2 or so years because they got success in devising some molecule through AI enabled drug discovery. Exscientia and In Silico Medicine, these are two companies. So Exscientia is a Oxford-based company and they have developed three drug-like candidates through their in-house developed patented technology of AI platforms, namely Centure, Chemist, and other platforms. So they have given three compounds. They have not disclosed the structure and the chemical names. So they have given code name. And in here I will discuss the code name and their proposed application. All these three drug-like candidates or early molecules are in clinical trial phases. So it is the history that in less than 2 or 3 years, this company got success in starting clinical trial for drug-like compounds. So first is DSP 1181, which is being investigated in clinical trial for treatment of obsessive compulsive disorder, that is OCD. Second one is EXS2 1546, which is being investigated for immuno-oncology type of disorders in certain segment. And third is being investigated for treatment of Alzheimer disease. The code name is DSP0038. Now we will talk about another company, In Silico Medicine. The genius Alex is the founder and CEO of the company. In very short span of time, they got success in developing their in-house patented proprietary type of AI platforms. In Silico Medicine is the name of company, and along with Exscientia, this is also a company which is finding its place in newspaper world over every now and then. So they have got success in developing entire AI platform, AI pipeline end to end, from discovering chemical structure to finalizing the target. It may be new target or already available target. So they are doing all these three things, that is target selection or target finalization, then finalization of their chemical structure, that is the ligand structure, and the clinical trial. All these three things which are crucial for drug discovery. So all these three things they are doing through their AI platforms. So the according to the information given on the website of this company, In Silico Medicine, what the company says, we are an end-to-end, as I told you, artificial intelligence driven pharma technology company with a mission to accelerate drug discovery, because until we discover drugs with faster speed, it is difficult to treat the patients at a faster speed. So they are end-to-end AI driven pharma technology company which is using AI, using their own proprietary platforms in three genres. The first is they are using AI for biology, that is for target selection, then chemistry, that is for chemical drug structure, and for clinical trial. So they have in-house platforms called pharma.ai platform. We will discuss in next slide exactly what are the names of those three technologies which they are using for target finalization, chemical finalization, that is drug structure, and clinical trial. So name of these three technologies are PandaOmics, which is they are using for finalizing target using AI technology, Chemistry 42 for finalizing the ligand structure, that is de novo drug designing through AI, and In Clinico to to do clinical trial through AI, that is either subject selection or something else. Surprisingly, in this November only, company announced that they have started in Australia clinical trial for tentative drug like novel compound named, it is the code name ISM 001055 for the treatment of idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis. So here the target is also new and drug is also new. Both are novel, like never before. First time they have told about this on this planet. In 18 months only, they got the success in devising this target and making this drug-like candidate, which is in clinical trial phase right now. So with this, we finish this short video in which we have covered about two companies and why AI is difficult. I mean, why drug discovery is difficult. And we discussed two companies which are the leading or the pioneer firm on this planet. And definitely they are doing historical work. And whenever there will be discussion about corporate or AI driven drug discovery in pharma majors, in pharma giants, these two names will be taken with full respect. With this, I finish my short video. Thank you very much for watching this video.